Hi, I'm John from Midnight Anytime Blackout Blinds. Today we're going to talk about our brand new RF Smart Hub that comes with its own USB-A cable. First step is to download the Smart Life app. It's available for iOS and Android devices. We'll connect it to power and then we'll start on the pairing. Once you've plugged it in, the blue light will be on continuously, and what you need to do, just press the little program button at the back until the light starts flashing. When it flashes fast, that means it's in pairing mode. Open the Smart Life app and then you're going to add a device. Go through the selection until you find what you're looking for. Then you'll need to add your Wi-Fi and password. You'll then see that the Smart Hub is recognised on the app. It may take a few minutes to connect, but be patient. From there, you need to name your hub. I've labelled mine Blackout Hub. You'll then notice it on your main screen. Now we're going to pair the blinds. Open the Smart Life app. Click on the Blackout Hub. Click on the radio frequency remote box. Now we're going to add an RF device. So press Add. Click on Roller Blind. To put your blind into pairing mode, simply click and hold the stop button until the blind jiggles. Now press Match right away. And the blind has responded. So now you press Responding, save the remote control. And that's your first blind. To add a device to a designated room, press and hold the icon until it starts to wiggle. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice the Change Room icon. Click on that and then click on the room you want it to allocate to. In this case, Master Bedroom. You'll see that it'll be highlighted with a tick and then click Done. Now that blind has also been added to the Master Bedroom. If you have any questions, you can email us at support@midnightanytimeblinds.com.au or contact your supplier.